When we looked at beta positive and beta negative decay a little bit earlier, I had kind of mentioned there was some more explanations with respect to quarks that we needed to look at. Here's what we have going on now. So in a beta negative decay, what we had is we had a neutron that decayed into a proton, a beta negative particle, an electron, and the antineutrino. What we can do is we can actually express this using quarks. So for beta negative decay, we have our neutron here, or this UDD. What we have is this conversion into this proton, or this UUD, our electron, and then our antineutrino. So what's actually happening in a beta negative decay is one of these D quarks is being converted into a U quark. And the reason for that is the weak nuclear force. So the weak nuclear force is going to be responsible for that conversion. Now, what physicists believe, and this is a bit beyond the scope of Physics 30, but what they actually believe is that that D quark, it's going to decay into that U quark plus this virtual W minus boson. So this W minus boson we can kind of think of as the carrier of this weak nuclear force. So what's hypothesized in beta negative decay is that that D quark, it decays into this U quark plus this W negative boson, this virtual particle, and it itself will decay into the electron and the antineutrino. For us in Physics 30, we don't have to worry about the virtual particles or these bosons. All we have to know in a beta negative decay is that that D quark is going to be converted into a U quark in beta negative decay. In beta positive, almost very similar. This time we have that proton that's decaying into a neutron, a positron, and a neutrino. So again, using the quarks, we've got this UUD decays into UDD plus our positron plus our neutrino. So again, we're going to have a conversion of quarks. We have this U quark converting into a D quark, once again due to that weak nuclear force. But if you want to talk about this in terms of the virtual particles, what physicists do believe is that that U quark, it's going to decay into this D quark plus this W plus virtual boson, this virtual W plus boson, which itself will decay into that positron plus that neutrino. As I said, you don't have to worry about this part. This is the piece up here that you need to worry about. So when we're looking at quarks and beta decay, beta negative or beta positive, all you have to know is this relationship here for beta positive and this one here for beta negative. Don't worry about the virtual particles. That's beyond the scope of Physics 30.